Greetings of the day. Today we are going to learn simple example in SolidWorks part creation by using some features. This is 90-degree bend pipe having flange on both sides. Okay. Now we'll go to the SolidWorks and let's see how to make it. SolidWorks. Initially we have to go to the new, then select part, then say OK. Now we will take the right plane, then sketch. Okay, draw line straight. Whenever we are drawing in a sketch, we just see in the yellow color highlighted, the relationship was showing. If it is like this, there is no relationship. Okay, I'll draw it again. There is no relationship. Select, then make it vertical. Okay, then draw 3-point arc outside. Okay, then select this curve and this line, add a relationship tangent. Okay, then straight line, select this point. Now you can see in the yellow the horizontal relationship is showing. Okay, no need to give another relationship, it's already the horizontal relationship added. Now we will add this 2 with a tangent. Now give the dimensions 150. This is 260, 260, and this is also 150. Okay. Whenever we draw a sketch in a SolidWorks, we have to check this color of the sketch. If it is a blue color, then it's like it's underdefined. So this point have to be defined now. Otherwise, we will select this point and this point, and we make the relationship coincident. Now just see, the sketch is black and it's also showing fully defined. Then exits from the sketch. Now we drawed this line in the right plane. Now we will select the first front plane and then go to the sketch and then circle. Here we will draw circle of outer die of this pipe is 290. Circle of 290. Outer die of pipe is taking 290. Now it's fully defined. Exit from the sketch. Then we'll go to the sweep boss. This is a profile and this is a path. Okay, then say okay. You can see the solid pipe now. We want it to be the hollow pipe. We can change in the sketch by giving the internal die of the pipe, that is 210. Exit from the sketch. Now it's became the hollow pipe. Okay, then what the next step? Next step is to be the add flanges. Add flange. Flange dimension is 360 with a width of 50. 50 is the thickness of this flange. 360. Okay. How to then select this surface, make normal to, then go to the sketch, center rectangle, select this face, then select the center point, draw a rectangle. Okay, 360 on both sides. 360. We can also give the relationship for this line and this line by selecting the control. We can give the equal relationship. Now this line also became the 360. Okay, then exit from the sketch, go to the features, extrude base. Just a minute. In the sketch only we will give the circle, so that only this area we have to do the extrude. Select circle, select center point. Okay, just leave the circle here only. Now what we'll do is we just select the outer edge of that pipe, and then or this edge, and then control, then select this circle and make co-radial. Okay, exit from the sketch, this sketch, extrude base. This is 50 thickness, not outside, inside. Now you can see only this area has extruded. Okay, before going to say okay, just see whether it is checked or not. If it is unchecked, then see what will happen. The two different bodies are created. We can also see here. This is one body and this is another one body. So always look into this, whether it is checked or not. If it is, if you want a different body, then you just uncheck this one. Otherwise, you have to check. Say okay. Now it's merged, and also we can see only single body here. Okay. What we'll do is next is give the radius here. It's a 20 radius. It's fillet this edge, this edge, and select all four edges and 20. Say okay. Then we have a radius here also. So 10 radius. Say okay. The next step is we have to give the hole. The hole is 30 dia through hole and 60 dia for the depth of 10. Okay. And the whole center distance is 260 here and 260 here. Select this plane, make a normal. We will do the extrude cut. This plane select again. Then select a circle. It's a 30 mm. Now the center distance is 260. From circle to circle center distance 260. I will take it for the this circle middle point. It will be the 130. Otherwise, if you don't know how much it is difficult to count directly, you can also directly select this, and if it's a 260 by 2, also it will give the exact dimension. Whether you want to divide or plus, whatever you can do is you can directly do here only. No need to calculate, take a calculator and calculate for you. Okay, and here also it's 130. Then exit from the sketch. Now it's having the blind of 50 mm. Okay, you can also give the through all. It's piercing here, so it's a blind only. We have to give 50 mm. Okay, then say okay. The 30 mm hole is done. Now we want 60 mm dia hole for the depth of 10. Sketch, circle, select plane, select center point. Then the dia is 60. Exit from the sketch. Go to the extrude cut. Only give 10 depth. Say okay. Now the one hole is done. Now we have to make all 4 holes. No need to give all holes separately. We can also pattern it. We can do circular pattern. Direction for the pattern center. We can call it as a pattern center, or we can axis. No need to give the axis directly, or if you have the circle or any circular edge, we can give. Okay, which features has to be patterned? I want these 2 features has to be patterned. And how much I want? I want only 4. Okay, by equally spacing for the 360-degree. Say okay. Now the flange with the hole is done on the one side. Now I want to make it on the another side. Now select this face, make a normal to sketch, center rectangle, then just check shift, yeah, center point 360, 360. By pressing Control key, select these 2 lines and then make equal. Both became equal. In the first this flange, what we did is we just created like this, and then later we given the fillet feature. Now we will see we can give the sketch fillet here only. This is 20 mm radius, and we can give here only. Don't worry about that alert. Then say okay. The radius is done in the sketch itself. Say exit from the sketch. Okay, then go to the extrude base. Creating this flange, we say draw one circle also, but here we will do it in a different method. Select counter. In which counter we want to the flange? We want here, no, or not here. Then we want here. Okay, then okay. Sorry, we want it in the different direction. Now it's fine. Okay, here just see we did one extrude base, then we created fillets here. Okay, but here we already done the fillets inside the sketch only, and We didn't draw the inside circle also. It's because it's showing this line. The merge is removed. Add merge result. Okay. Then now it's merged. Now we will see how to uh, give the holes here in a different method. Go to the hole wizard. There are so many options are there. We will take these options. Legacy hole here. Seaboard drilled. Now we want this small or through hole is 30 dia and the depth of 60 hole for the counter and for the 10 is counter depth. This will be the 50. Okay, just see this dia. Maximum dia is 60. Okay, yes, we want 60 only. And minimum dia is 30. Yeah, it's 30 only. And for the depth for the counter bore is 10 mm. Okay, it's 10 mm. Fine. And we don't want through all, so we'll be blind and 50 mm depth for here. Also, we can give the 80. Then go to the position, then select this plane, just mark here wherever you want the holes, just place here, then give the relationship, make a horizontal relation. While we're giving the relationship, just you can select like this, or else holding the control key and give the relation from here also, or else by selecting this we can give the relation from here also, vertical relationship. Now give the dimensions 260 mm. Here also it's a 260 mm. Then from the center it should be aligned. Center point of the circle, select the point. Okay, now by selecting the control, select this point and center line and this point and make it symmetric. Here also can draw line, center line by clicking the control key, point, line and this point and make it symmetric. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Now say OK. The hole is done by using hole wizard. Now we will give the fillet here 10 mm, 10 mm. Okay, the 90-degree bend pipe with two flange is done. Now you can give the um, whatever the appearance you want, like this, and we can also check by section view or from the side. We used extrude features, extrude cut, fillet, and then swept boss, and also the circular pattern. And also we learned how to give the relationship in the sketch and how to give the fillets in the sketch and all. Okay, thanks for watching.